Good everyone. This is Shantar Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal, Hyderabad. Today topic is inverse of a matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Actually, the inverse of a matrices are many methods are there, but today topic is we are going to discuss by using the Gauss-Jordan method. See, according to when we are going to discuss the inverse of a matrix, first of all, we know that the inverse is nothing but adjacent of A by delta A. Under here, first of all, we need to find out what is the value of the delta A. Here, if it is a delta A is equal to 0, and again, if it is a delta A is not equal to 0. If it is a delta A is equal to 0, then the function is a inverse does not exist. If it is a delta A is not equal to 0, then only the inverse is existed. Because of that inverse of a matrix is equal to adjacent of A by delta. Because of this condition, if it is a delta A is equal to 0, it is a inverse does not exist. And if it is a inverse delta A is equal to not equal to 0, then only that inverse is existed. And based upon here, if it is a inverse is exist, then according to by using this Gauss-Jordan method, we need to follow this is the condition. Consider that within the bracket that is a box A and again I. This is called as a convert A I into reduced to row echelon form. Then by using this element row operation, that given matrix A is reduced to I and I is reduced to B, where here A is what we are reduced to I, that is considered B inverse, that is a B is equal to A inverse of the matrix. Now we are going to calculating with the help of this procedure to finding the inverse of a matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Here actually these are the two methods we need to follow with the help of the Gauss-Jordan method. One is given the matrix is a n by n is a matrix of order is a n by n. First one we need to consider adjacent the n by n identity matrix I to the obtain the augmented matrix. Within the bracket, the augmented matrix is nothing but the collection of the coefficient of the matrix, that is nothing but the given matrix, such that you take the depend upon the given matrix order with respect to n by n, you take one other unit type of a matrix, that is also order n by n. Second one, using the row operation according to the given matrix that A is reduced to I and again I is reduced to B, where up to the given matrix is reduced to unit type of a matrix. And finally, the given matrix is reduced to I, that I is reduced to B. Whatever we are getting, that B is called as a inverse of the matrix. This is the clear information regarding the Gauss-Jordan method by using the elementary row operation. And second one, other method, Gauss-Jordan method, the inverse of a matrix by elementary row transformation, that is a Gauss-Jordan method. First one, suppose A is a non-singular matrix of order n, we write A is equal to In into A. Because of here A is equal to the given matrix, In is nothing but the given matrix that is a number of order R n by n, such that you take that unit matrix is also that n by n is a matrix into consider A. By using the elementary row operations on the given matrix A, the given matrix is reduced to I, and at the same time, whatever we are going to apply the elementary row operations on the given matrix A, the same operations we need to apply on the unit matrix n, order n, and again corresponding the given matrix LHS is reduced to I, that corresponding I is reduced to B, and again A is the given matrix. Here B is called the inverse of the matrix. For example, if it is considered the given matrix is A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the given matrix. Order is clearly that is a 3 by 3. Because of here, that is order is a 3 by 3 is a matrix. Here we need to find the inverse of a matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. And again here, first of all, we find the augmented matrix according to the procedure. Whenever the given matrix is A is a order, that is a 3 by 3, such that you may take that augmented matrix is nothing but A n is equal to, that is a In into A is a matrix. Otherwise, A into that is a In. Here A is a given matrix. In is a corresponding the given matrix order is n by n. Here the given matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix such that you take that unit matrix is also order is a 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, here the given matrix A is equal to 2 1 1 and 3 2 1 2 1 2. Corresponding the matrix is also you may consider 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And based upon this given matrix, according to when we are going to follow that elementary row operations, that means we need to follow strictly the row operations only. We should not apply any column operations. And here, when we are applying on the given matrix A, that is R1 minus R2. Why? Because here the given matrix is reduced to unit type of a matrix, that is a 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 only. Because of that one, here the first row, first element, it is a 2 is the given matrix, but we need to change it to that is 2 is equal to 1. First of all, we need to follow the strictly that is R1 minus R2, and based upon that application of that R1 minus R2 on the given matrix, that is a 2 1 1. Therefore, the first row is changed to that is 2 1 1 is equal to change to minus 1 0, because of by using the R1 minus R2. And second row and third row is same as it is because we are not going to applying on the second row and third row. Therefore, the second row is 3 2 1 2 1 2, and again whatever we are applying like R1 minus R2 on the given matrix, according to that Gauss-Jordan method, the same row operations we need to applying on the considered unit type of a matrix. Therefore, the same R1 minus R2 when we are going to applying on In, that is I3, the first row is changed to that 1 minus 1 0. The second row we are not going to changing anything, same because we are not applying any row and R3 and also R2. Therefore, R2 is 0 1 0, R3 is equal to 0 0 1 only. Again, when we are observing here that R1 row, that given matrix, it is the first element is a minus 1, but our required that minus 1 is equal to 1 only. And once again, when we are going to applying on R1, that is division by that is a minus 1, otherwise that is a minus into R1, and corresponding that R2 row and also R3 row, that R3 row is addition of that is a plus 3 into that is a R3, and again R3 plus 2 into that is a R1. By using these two operations, that is three operations, the given matrix is reduced to 1 0 1 1 0, and again the second row is a 0 minus 1 1, third row is a 0 minus 1 2, and corresponding the same row operations on R1, R2 and R3 on the post matrix of the given matrix. Therefore, the given matrix is reduced to right side, that is a minus 1 1 0, 3 minus 2 0, 3 minus 2 1 only. And while we are observing in these matrices, once again in the first row the second element is 1 is obtained, but we need to change the reduce to this 1 is also 0. Therefore, here according to once again when we are going to applying on this one, that is a R1 plus R2, therefore the given matrix is reduced to that first row is a 1 0 1, and similarly the second row, the second column, the element is a minus 1 is obtained here, but we need to change that minus 1 is also 1. Due to the reason, once again we need to multiplication on second row with minus, that is minus R2, and similarly that R3 is also we need to change that third row, that is a second column, the element minus 1 is equal to that is a 0. Based upon this one, once again we need to follow on R3, that is with the help of that R2, that is R3 minus R2. Therefore, the given matrix is reduced to according to the first row is a 1 0 1 0 1 minus 1, the third row is changed to 0 0 1, and the same these three operations we need to apply on the right side, that is the unit matrix. Therefore, the matrix is changed to 2 minus 1 0 minus 3 2 0, minus 1, 0, 1 is a matrix. And once again, when we are observing in this matrices, the first row, the third column, the element, we need to change that 0. And again, the second row, the third column, that minus 1 is also, we need to reduce it to 0. Because we need to change the matrix is reduced to finally in the form of, that is a unit matrix, the order 3 only. And because of that one, here, once again, I mentioned it is a previous step is a 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, that unit matrix is that obtain the matrix is a 2, minus 1, 0, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. Once again, on the R1, we need to apply with the help of R3, that is R1 minus R3. And again, R2 is changed like R2 plus R3. Therefore, the given matrix is reduced to like 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. And again, the post matrix, that is a unit matrix, is also similarly based upon this is the R1 minus R3, R2 plus R3 is changed, that is a 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. When we are observing here that LHS matrix is clearly obtained, that is unit matrix of order 3 is clearly satisfied. Therefore, it is a 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is a clearly the unit matrix of order 3. And finally, the right side, the same by using the row operations, the matrix is reduced like 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Therefore, according to this the procedure, when the matrix is reduced to unit matrix, and finally the right side matrix, unit matrix is also changed, one of the matrix, that matrix is known as a inverse of the given matrix. Therefore, here where it is a consider B is the matrix is a 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 1 is called as a inverse of the matrix of the given matrix. Therefore, this is the clear information regarding the inverse of a matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Next, for example, if you are going to discuss, that is a second method with the help of that inverse of a matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Similarly, if it is a, suppose A is a non-singular matrix of order n, then we write A is equal to In into A. And again, second one, that now we need to apply by the row operations on the matrix A, that is a prefactor of In, and on the same matrix, that is a In, that finally the given matrix is reduced to like A is equal to In, and right side matrix is reduced to B. And again, that is considered that where B is called as a inverse of the matrix. Now we are going to discuss according to the second method to find the inverse of a matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Here, according to it is a given the matrix is a consider, that is a 1, 6, 4, 0, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2 is a matrix. And according to this is the method, if it is a consider A is equal to I3 into A, because the procedure according to it is nothing but A is equal to, that is In into A is a matrix. Here A is a matrix is a 3 by 3, and again the corresponding that N is also treated as N is equal to, that is 3 by 3, that A is the, you write as it is that A only. Here this is the another method when we are going to discuss, that is a previous method. According to the first, this method is known as by using the augmented matrix method, but this is with the help of that A is equal to In into A only. Therefore, here also same that given matrix A is equal to 1, 6, 4, 0, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and right side I3 is equal to consider, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A is a matrix. And our concept is the given matrix is reduced to, that is unit type of a matrix. That means according to the given matrix is we need to finally change in the form of 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 only the given matrix. Finally, we need to find out what is the given matrix is a right side, but when we are going to applying the row operations on the given matrix, the right side is a In is reduced to like that B into A is the given matrix. Here B is called as a inverse of a matrix. Therefore, for the purpose of the given matrix is reduced to the unit matrix, here when we are observing in this matrix is clearly that R3 is the 2R3 minus R2 with the help of this application. Therefore, the given matrix is reduced 164,023,001 only. Therefore, the same operations when we are going to applying on this the given matrix, that is right side of the unit matrix of order 3, the matrix is reduced to 100,010,0 minus 2 only. Because of that we are modified, that is R3 is equal to 2R3 minus R2 only. That means we are not disturbing to R1 and also R2. And once again on the previous matrices we are applying R1 minus R3, that is a 3 into R2. We are not disturbing any R2 and also R3. Therefore, with the help of R1, that is a R1 minus 3 R2, therefore the matrix is reduced like 105 minus 5. Second row is a same, we are not changing anything, that is 023,001, and corresponding the right side of the matrix, that unit matrix is also same, the applying like row operation, that is R1 minus 3 R2. That first row is changed like 1 minus 3 0 0 1 0 0 minus 1 2. This is we are not disturbing anything. Therefore, it is a is a as it is. And next, when we are going to observing in this matrices, this LHZ matrix is a we need to require to change, that is a 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 only the matrix. When we are observing, keeping in our mind, it is a first row is a 1 we obtain clearly. That second element 0 is also clearly. That second row, that is a 0 1 0 is required, and third row 0 0 1 is required. While we are comparison, this is a unit matrix that we need to modify, that is a minus 5 is changed like 0, that is with the help of R1 is equal to R1 plus 5 into, that is R3. And similarly, while we are comparison, that is R2 and also R3, clearly that is a last row is 1 is the element is existed. With the help of this key value, that is 1, that 3 values we need to change easily, that is with the help of that R3, that is R2 minus, that is a 3 into R3. Therefore, by using these two operations, one is R1 is equal to R1 plus 5R3, and corresponding, that is R2 is equal to R2 minus 3 R3, then automatically that minus 5 is changed like 0, and again the 3 value is also we need to change, that is a 0. With the help of these are the two operations. And same these two operations when we are going to applying on this right side of the prefactor of that A, therefore similarly this is also the first row is changed, that is a 1 minus 8 10 0 4 minus 6 0 minus 1 2 is the we are not disturbing anything. Why? Because we not applied any R3 row operation. And finally, the conclusion of this one, when we are observing the given matrix, that LHZ matrix is a 1 0 0 is clearly satisfied. The third row is also clearly satisfied 0 0 1. But in middle of the row, that is the second row, that is a 0 2 0 is existed. But our aim is the second row is also we need to change, that is a 0 1 0. Therefore, once again, when we are going to divide, that is a R2, that is a with the help of, that is a operation, R2 is equal to, that is a R2 by 2. Therefore, the LHZ matrix is clearly reduced in the form of, that is unit matrix of order 3. That is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And the same the row operation, that is R2, when we are dividing like R2 by 2, the right side is also clearly that first row is we are not changing anything. Therefore, 1 minus 8 is 10 minus 8 10 same, and R3 row is also same, that is 0 minus 1 2, but we are divided only that R2 divided by 2. Therefore, the right side is also same, 0 4 minus 6 is reduced, that is 0 to minus 3. Therefore, when we are observing this is the final matrix, therefore it is clearly the LHZ matrix is satisfied, that is I3 according to that is a Gauss-Jordan method. And similarly, by using all these previous operations, the right side is also we are changed like A IN to, that is a B is a considered matrix E into A. Therefore, here according to this is the Gauss-Jordan method, here B is the inverse of the matrix. Therefore, when we are observing all these matrices like row operations, here we are applying only the row operations only. We are not applying any column operations. Why? Because this is the method is a Gauss-Jordan method. According to the Gauss-Jordan method, that is a row reduced to echelon form of a matrix or row reduced the matrix. This method is known as a Gauss-Jordan method to find the inverse of a matrix. Now we are going to discuss one of the simple example, that is a 2 by 2 matrix. Using the elementary row operations, find the inverse of a matrix. That is nothing but indirectly this method is known as a Gauss-Jordan method. But this is a only, that is a 2 by 2 matrix only we are going to discuss now itself. Similarly, here also according to the procedure, consider the matrix is a is equal to in into A. Why? Because the procedure is nothing but according to the Gauss-Jordan method, that is an is equal to, that is in into A is the matrix. Therefore, it is A is nothing but, that is a 2, that is nothing but I2 into A. That means A2 is nothing but the given matrix is a 2 by 2. Therefore, I2 is also nothing but, that is a 2 by 2 into A is the matrix. Based upon this one, according to the Gauss-Jordan method, when we are going to applying the row operations on the given matrix, finally our concept is the given matrix is reduced to, that is I2, and similarly the same the row operations applying on the unit matrix, the given matrix, the unit matrix is reduced like B and again into A, where here B is called as the inverse of a matrix. When we are going to observing here on this matrix, it is clearly A is equal to I2 into A. Therefore, A is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3. The right side, that is I2 is nothing but the unit matrix of order 2, that is 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. And again here also our concept is these two values also we need to change 0, and one value is also we need to change 0, but this value we need to change, that is equal to 1 only. Therefore, here according to on the given matrix, first of all we need to apply, that is R2 is equal to R2 minus 2R1, that is with the help of the first row. Therefore, the first row is same, we are not applying any row operations. Therefore, 1, 1 is the first row. The second row, when we are applying like R2 minus 2R1, therefore, the second row is changed like 0 to 1. And again here, the right side is also, the R1 row is, we are not disturbing anything. Therefore, 1, 0. The second row, according to that R2 minus 2 R1, therefore the second row 0, 1 is changed like minus 2, 1, and again into A is a matrix. And once again, when we are observing in this matrix, 1 is clearly satisfied and 0 is also clearly satisfied, and last element is also 1 is satisfied clearly. But here it is a first row, the second column, the element is 1 is obtained, but we need that 1 is also we need to like reduce it to 0. Therefore, by using the operation of R1 with the help of R2, therefore R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. The matrix is reduced to like 1, 1, 2, that is a 1, 0. The second row is 0, 1 as it is, and right side is also that 1, 0 is changed like 3 minus 1. Minus 2 and 1 is as it is. Why? Because we are not applying any row operations on the second row into A. Therefore, when we are observing the LHC matrix is clearly satisfied, that is I2. Similarly, the same, the right side is also considered, this is the matrix is a B into A is the matrix, where B is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 2, 1. And that is the inverse of the matrix of the given matrix. This is clearly, it is an example for the inverse of the matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Second one, similarly, if it is a consider one other simple example, that is a 2 by 2 matrices by using the Gauss-Jordan method to find the inverse of a matrix. Similarly, here also we need to consider A is equal to I2 into A. Therefore, A is the given matrix, the LHS side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and right side I2 is considered as a unit matrix of order 2, that is 1, 0, 0, 1 into A is a matrix. Therefore, here also when we are observing that elements are, we need like changed the given matrix is a is equal to, that is equal to 1 0 0 1. Therefore, according to this one, it is the first element is 1 is satisfied, but it is a 2 is reduced like 0 and 3 is reduced like the 0 and 4 we need to change the value is a 1. Therefore, first of all, with the help of this is the first row, first column, first element 1. Therefore, when we are applying R2 is equal to R2 minus, that is a 3R1. Therefore, according to, by using this condition, therefore the first row is 1 2, the second row is changed like 3 4 2, that is a 0 minus 2 is a value. And similarly, the same operations when we are applying on the right side of the pre-matrix A, that is on I2, therefore the matrix is reduced 1 0 minus 3 1 into A is the value. And once again, when we are observing here, it is equal to the first row, the second column, the element we need to change to, that is a 2 is equal to 0, and again that minus 2 is equal to, that is a 1 only. Here, according to when you are concentration on this equation, that is a R2, according to when you are dividing, that is a R2 divided by, that is a 2, including with minus, that is a minus 1 by 10 into R2. Therefore, the matrix is reduced, LHS it is a 1 2 is equal to 1 2 same, and second row only we are changing, that is a 0 minus 2 2, that is a 0 1, that is with the help of, that is a minus 1 by 2 into, that is a R2. And similarly, the same operations when we are applying on the pre-factor of, that is A, that is a 1 0 is same the values. The second row only we are changed, that is a minus 3 1 2, that is a 3 by 2, and also that is a minus 1 by 2, because of that R2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into R2. And finally, here when we are observing that LHS matrix is a reduced, that is 1 2 0 1 only, but again we required, that is in the form of unit matrix LHS, that is 1 0 0 1 only. Therefore, based upon this one, we need our change the concentration is 2 is equal to, the value is 0. Again, when we are observing this first row and second row, here with the help of the, that is R1 row is equal to R1 minus 2 R2. By using this row operation, the LHS side matrix is clearly reduced 1 0 0 1. The right side matrix is also reduced minus 2 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is a value, and into A is the same matrix. Therefore, that here it is consider that LHS side matrix is reduced, that is a unit matrix, and corresponding you consider the right side of the matrix is equal to, that is inverse of the matrix. Therefore, it is a inverse of the matrix A inverse is equal to minus 2 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is a clear information. Second one, here when we are going to discuss, that is a 3 by 3 matrices by using the elementary row operations. Here, if it is a consider, it is A is equal to I3 into A. Here the given matrix is the 1 1 1 0 2 3 5 5 1, and corresponding the right side is also treated as, that is with the help of the given matrix R2 is a 3 by 3, that such that you take that I3 is also matrix, that is a 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A is a matrix. Similarly, the given matrix is finally, our aim is a reduce the unit matrix of order 3, that is I3 is required, and right side automatically by using the same the row operations on the right side of the matrix on I, the matrix is reduced one of the matrix, that matrix is considered it is a inverse of the matrix. And according to in this matrices, when we are applying first row one, that is 5 is changed, that is a 0 is a required. Therefore, comparison, that is a R1 with the help of that R1, while we are going to applying, that is a R3 is equal to, that is R3 minus 5 R1. Therefore, that first row, second row, we are not changed any values. Therefore, by using the R3 is equal to R3 minus 5 R1, that entirely the third row is changed to 5 5 1 2, that is a 0 0 minus 1. And similarly, the right side is also the same, that we are not disturbing on R1 and R2. only with the help of that R3 is equal to R3 minus 5R1, the matrix is reduced to the R3 is the 0 0 1 2 minus 5 0 1 into A. And once again, when we are observing the LHZ matrix, it is a required 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 only. And again, once again, in middle of the value, we need change the value 2 is equal, that is 1. That is with the help of that R2 is equal to, that is a minus 1 by 2 into, that is R2. Therefore, by using it is R2 is equal to 1 by 2 into R2. Therefore, with the help of this the operation, the given matrix LHZ is a 1 1 1 and 0 1 3 by 2. That R2 R3 is a 0 0 minus 4 only. The right side is a clearly we obtain 1 0 0 0 1 by 2 0 minus 5 0 1 only. And again finally, according to when we are observing here, once again we need changed like first row, the second column 1, we need to change the 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, here once again we need applying on R1, that is R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. Therefore, the LHZ matrix is reduced to 1 0 minus 1 by 2, 0 1 3 by 2, 0 0 minus 4. And right side corresponding the matrix is also changed with the help of R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. Therefore, the values are also changed like 1 minus 1 by 2 0, 0 1 by 2 0 and 0 0 1 only. And once again, if it is observing in this LHZ matrix is we need change that minus 4 to that is 1. That is with the help of that operation R3 is equal to 1 by 4 into R3. That LHZ matrix is changed like 1 0 minus 1 by 2, 0 1 3 by 2. That last row, that is 0 0 minus 1 is changed to that is 0 0 1 only. Similarly, the right side is also the values are, that is R3 row is changed to that is a minus 5 0 1 2 5 by 4 0 minus 1 by 4. The rest of that R1 and R2 we are not disturbing any values. And again finally, our required the LHZ matrix is a minus 1 by 2 is also we need change to 0. And similarly, that R2 is also 3 by 2 we need change to that is a 0. That is with the help of the two operations. One is a R1 is equal to R1 plus 1 by 2 into R3, and similarly R2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 into R3. By using these two operations, when we are applying on the LH side of the given matrices, clearly the matrix is reduced to that is unit matrix of order 3, that is nothing but 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. At the same time, the right side of the matrix are also when we are applying, that is R1 and also R2, these are the two operations. The right side of the matrix is also clearly changed to that is 13 by 8 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. Second row is minus 15 by 8, 1 by 2, 3 by 8. The third row is same, that is 5 by 4, 0 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, this matrix is clearly in the final step while we are observing here. It is a LHZ is a unit matrix of order 3, and corresponding you may consider that within the bracket of that before that multiplication A is considered the inverse of the matrix. Therefore, it is also one of the method to find the inverse of the matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Similarly, if it is considered, this is also one of the example to find the inverse of a matrix by using the row operation. Similarly, here also, according to you consider the matrix is a 3 by 3, therefore it is a consider A is equal to I3 into I. And similarly, here also our concept is we need change it to like the given matrix is reduced to unit matrix of order 3, that is nothing but 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And here also by using the elementary row operations only, we are not applying any operations of the column operations. Entirely our mind is remember that is LHZ matrix is reduced to that unit matrix of the order 3, that is corresponding 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. For that purpose, according to that 1 by 1 the row operation, that is interchange of that is R1 interchange like R2. Second one, the operations are according to R2 is equal to R2 minus 2R1, R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. And next one is after that modification, once again we need like apply on the R1 and also R3, that is R1 is equal to R1 minus 2R2 and R3 is equal to R3 minus 2R2. And similarly, that is finally the matrix on that like R3 row, that is minus 1 into R3, the given matrix is reduced to clearly that is a unit matrix of order 3 you obtain. Therefore, LHS side is a matrix is considered that is I3 and right side is a matrix is clearly satisfied the inverse of the matrix. Therefore, it is also the method is known as a inverse of a matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. And similarly, it is also the given matrix is A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix. And again, here also let us assume that according to the Gauss-Jordan method, A is equal to I3 into A, such that you consider LHS side is a 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. Right side is a consider I3, that is unit matrix of order 3. The corresponding values are 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. And similarly, here also we need interchange that R1 and also R2, because first element we need change it to like 1 only. Therefore, by applying interchange that R1 and also R2, the LHS side matrix is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 is equal to the right side matrix is also changed like 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and again 0, 0, 1 only the matrix. And similarly, by applying that R3 is equal to R3 minus that is a 3R1, with the help of this the given matrix is reduced like 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 minus 5, 8. And again similarly, the right side is also clearly we change it to by using the R3 is equal to R3 minus 3 R1, that is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 minus 3 and also 1. And corresponding similarly by using these all these row operations one by one according to that R1, R2 and R3 by using these operations. One is R1 is equal to R1 minus 2 R2, R3 is equal to R3 plus 5 R2, and finally that is R3 is equal to 1 by 2 into R3. The matrix LHS is changed to 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. The right side, the unit matrix is also changed like in the form of minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. And finally, when we are observing in this LHS side of the matrix, the first row is we need that is a minus 1 is equal to 0, that 2 is also 0. Therefore, by using R1 is equal to R1 plus R3 and R2 is equal to R2 minus 2 R3, entirely the LHS side matrix is reduced to unit matrix of order 3 is clearly satisfied. Therefore, it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And the same these two operations when we are going to applying on right side of the matrix, that is matrix is reduced to like 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 4, 3, minus 1, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore, when we are observing in this final step, the LHS side matrix is clearly obtained, that is I3 is equal to the right side, it is treated as B into A. Therefore, here B is called as a inverse of the matrix. Therefore, it is a method is known as a clearly that inverse of a matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Similarly, this is also if it is exists here when we are observing this is the matrix, clearly we need to focus on here using the elementary row operations, find the inverse of the matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method if exists only. Here A is equal to the matrix is I3 into A, and again here also assume that A is the LHS side, I3 is the corresponding matrix I3 into A. According to by row operations, it is R2 minus 2 R1, R3 is equal to R3 plus R1. The LHS side matrix is reduced to 1, 6, 4, 0 minus 8 minus 9. Third row is a 0, 8, 9. The right side is clearly 1 0 0 minus 2 1 0. The third row is a 1 0 1 only into A. And when we are going to applying on this one, once again that R3, that is R3 is equal to R3 plus R2 by using this operation, that last row is clearly reduced to 0 8 9 to 0 0 0 only. The right side matrix, the last row is a 1 0 1 only. And when we are observing this particularly, this is a matrix, it is inverse does not exist because it is a last row, it is a clearly observing that is a 0 values. It is a according to the given matrix is a reduced to unit type of a matrix order 3. But entirely this matrix is not possible to reduce it to unit matrix of order 3. Therefore, while we are observing according to these are the two rows operations, it is a final row is changed to like 0 0 0 only, but we read that 0 0 1 only, but it is highly impossible to get that 0 0 1 only. Therefore, according to this matrix, it is a inverse does not exist. If we want to require to clarification, when we are going to finding the given matrix A, when you are calculating the data of the given matrix, automatically the data of the matrix is equal to 0. Therefore, if it is a data is equal to 0, that inverse is a does not exist. Therefore, clearly this is the example suitable for the inverse of a matrix. It is a does not exist according to this is the by using this is the Gauss-Jordan method only. Similarly, this is also one of the example you may calculate and again you try to check it. It is also not possible to find the inverse of the matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Because of here also, according to these are the two operations by using the row operations, it is a final row which is reduced to 0 0 0 only. Therefore, this matrix is also not possible to reduce to inverse of a matrix. When we are going to cross verification, it is also the data of the matrix which is equal to 0 only. Therefore, according to the procedure of the Gauss-Jordan method, that inverse does not exist because the data is equal to 0. Such type of this condition is known as it is a singular of the matrix. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.